guys, my name is Jolene. Today is my first time using YouTube to record, and today we will playing some slime. It's like this. It's a heart shape with full of colors. Oh, it's like purple, pink. No, it's like pink and orange, and this one is like blue, light blue, light green, light blue, and yellow. And I have some dough. It's like orange and green, but if you all buy it, it is so hard. You have to add some water, and I have to tell you, I have another slime. It's like this. I think some of you have this slime. This is my friend Trinity. She just gave me. It's like brown. I just mix it. Oh, sorry. I know now Kendama is not so popular, but now it's like water flip is like very popular now. And now today we are playing slime, sticky slime. But this is not a sticky slime. The most sticky slime is so bad. It will like stick in your hands and it's so difficult to take out. It's like this. Yeah. And if we take out, we have to take out very slowly. We can mix it together. Oh shh. I know, I just say that shit. But this is a slime. This is a slime that everyone like to play. One of my friend called Trinity, she like to play slime, and she keep like pressing and have a lot of sound. I think she likes slime. Yeah. In my school, she sometimes bring the slime and she play, and she sometimes lend me. Because today is Monday, right? My school got CCA. Every Monday have CCA. And now I'm P5. I'm 11 years old. Yeah. And now, yes. You know this? I hate this. I love this. This is the most pretty color. You see? You just stick it. Oh. Just don't care. My brother is talking with my brother is talking with his friend. His friend in the iPad. Yeah, I think it's iPad or phone. And now I have a special guest. I keep this. I tell you, you all will be nervous because I know some of you like Pokemon, right? Do you all like? No, I mean, if you all like Pokemon, please write down in the comments and give a like. And that's you think what is that? It's not like Charmander. It's not Charmander or Pichu. It's something like Pichu. I know you all is thinking. I know you all have answered it. It's Pikachu. My sister got it. This Pikachu have a tails. The tails is the thunder things, and he can talk because he's a teddy bear. But sometimes you try him, you talk to him. I will go out for a while. I go out for a while. Bye. Hey. Okay, never mind. Okay, never mind. Wait, sorry guys. This bye. I go. Oh. Hello guys. My name is Pikachu. I have a no. I mean my owner name is Jordan, and now he's 11 years old. And now, I think she just go to the toilet. Let me listen when she is back. And now I have to wait now. Hey, Pikachu, what's up? Did everyone talk to him? If you do, write in the comments down. And now I have a. Do you boys like playing football? I have a ball. It's like this. You see? See? I can catch it. You see again. I put here. Where?